How to stop Windows 10 from installing Candy Crush and Disney Magic Kingdom. Unfortunately, in this particular case the issue is a little more complicated than usually. As soon as Windows 10 starts, it wants to install both Disney Magic Kingdoms and Candy Crush. Right-clicking one of them and selecting Uninstall removes it. Doing the same with the second app causes the first one to show up again. And this keeps happening in an endless loop. As soon as one app gets removed, the other one shows up again. Well, and after a reboot, both apps are there again for installation. In other words, there seems to be no way to get rid of them. Do you know of any reliable way to uninstall those two annoying apps? Here's what I've tried so far. Fully installed those two apps, rebooted the system and uninstalled them. Still Windows immediately wants to reinstall them. Disabled, update apps automatically. In Microsoft Store app-settings. Set, hkey_current_user /software/Microsoft/Windows/current version/content delivery manager /silent install adaptable equals 0. Set, hkey_local_machine /software/policies /Microsoft/Windows/cloud content /disable Windows consumer features equals 1. Set, hkey_local_machine /software/policies /Microsoft/Windows Store /auto download equals 2. Set, hkey_local_machine /software/Microsoft/Windows/current version /Windows Store /Windows Update /auto download equals 2. Run, disk cleanup, to delete all unnecessary files. Try to clean reboot, to uninstall those apps. Update. In safe mode both apps ain't listed under apps and features anymore, and hence can't be uninstalled there. They are still at the start menu though. Trying to uninstall by right-clicking at the Start menu just does nothing. Settings app, personalization, start disabling show suggestions occasionally in Start. After this, the behavior is the same as in safe mode. Both apps don't show up at apps and features, but are still listed in the Start menu. Right-clicking them and selecting uninstall has no effect. Updating Windows had no effect as it's already up to date. Uninstalling through PowerShell is not possible because both apps don't show up, even if they're installed. Unfortunately, none of those helped. Do you have any other ideas?
It seems like the problem got fixed in Windows 10 patch KB4345421. After uninstalling the apps today, they finally got removed. Now there's one odd thing about KB4345421. It was already installed on the day the original question was posted. Meanwhile, it got installed 2 more times. The last installation of the patch, one day after the question was posted, seemed to have finally fixed the issue. So if you suffer from the same issue, try to uninstall and reinstall KB4345421.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.